Best Shopify SEO plugin. So if you want to go ahead and get the best Shopify SEO plugin for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Shopify App Store. And in the Shopify App Store, you can find a lot of SEO plugins for yourself. But which one exactly is the best? Now, SEO is your search engine optimization, and it needs to be on point for you. So obviously, we're going to go with the best SEO or search engine optimization plugin that we have. Now, I would personally, on the top, rank 3. Okay. So first of all, there's Tiny, okay, SEO Image Optimizer. This is specifically built for Shopify, okay, so you could go with this. Then there's Tapita SEO. This is also specifically built for Shopify, and this one's totally for free. And then there's Booster. Okay, so these three in these line, these are the best SEOs, but I would love to always go with Tapita because it's completely free. There's no free plan. These two, on the other hand, have free plans, but they have better features. This is totally free. It doesn't have any plan, and it's just really fun to use this one in my opinion. So yeah, Tapita, SEO, but you can use Booster and Tiny if you want to. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.